2021 was a bit of an underwhelming year for Nio, especially for Nio stock. Now that 2021 is almost over, let's have an outlook on what 2022 will have prepared for us and what we can expect from Nio. As Nio already announced in the last 2 Nio days, there will be the delivery of the Nio ET7 in March of 2022 and the ET5 in September the same year. Those cars are very anticipated by the larger public because those are the first non-SUV vehicles Nio is delivering and the first cars that claim to have a range of over 1,000 kilometers. Of course, there are a lot of other new and awesome features that come with the new cars, but this is not today's topic of the video. Both these cars will mean higher monthly and annual delivery numbers for Nio. The cars are expected to be part of a larger market with higher sale volumes. Another model might also be released later in 2022 without further information about it. Deutsche Bank shares my idea of Nio releasing the vehicle on the Shanghai Auto Show or a similar venue next year. This might further boost delivery numbers next year depending on the vehicle segment it will be placed in. Not only new vehicles boost delivery numbers, but production capacity does too. Therefore, it is expected that in the second half of next year, the all-new Nio factory located in the Nio Park in Hefei will have finished construction. At the moment, the building is almost complete, and the machinery is already being brought in. Still, new cars and better production capacity isn't all it needs for a high sales volume, but there has to be an audience that is willing to buy them. Even though China is the biggest EV market in the world, Nio is also looking to expand into other continents. In 2021, Nio already expanded to Norway as the first European country to sell its cars outside of China. In 2022, Nio will further expand to Germany, the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark. The sales might not be as much as the sales in China, but it might grow with the renown Nio is building in Europe and the popularity it will be gaining. So what will the delivery numbers look like next year? Well, Deutsche Bank estimated in an earlier report that Nio might deliver about 140,000 cars in 2022, but then raised their future outlook later on. At first, they didn't expect the delivery of the ET5 to be as soon as it will hopefully be, and overall, they might have changed their opinion and projection of the EV market share in 2022. I wonder if we might get the first monthly deliveries above 20,000 cars at the end of next year? I guess we will have to see how the beginning and the middle of the year will be doing in terms of deliveries. By the end of 2022, Nio could eventually turn profitable for the first time. This would be huge as this is one of the biggest challenges for companies, especially for startups in the long term. Another interesting point of revenues are the side revenues by subscriptions and of course the revenue overall. At the end of the day, revenue matters the most for a company. We might see further cooperation between Nio and other companies as we have seen with Sinopec, CNPC, and Shell over the past year. Then what else is there? There might be plans we don't know about like Project Gemini. According to CNEV Post, Nio and BYD are close to a joint venture of the Nio mass market car, and BYD using Nio's battery swapping in the future with its new car platform. There are a lot of opportunities for Nio, like the discovery of new branches like the VR tech. This is in my opinion a very interesting fact that Nio could come up with something totally unexpected in the future. What are you expecting Nio to do in 2022? Let me know in the comments. I hope I did not forget about something. If there will be something new, I will keep you guys up to date. Closing into the end of the year, I want to thank all of you for subscribing to the channel and leaving comments under the videos, or even just leaving a reaction. I wish you all a happy new year and health for the coming year. Greetings, Nio Source.